Welcome to Kabul, the heart of Afghanistan. Situated in a narrow valley between mountains, Kabul lies about 1,800 meters above sea level, making it one of the highest capital cities in the world. The city is surrounded by the towering peaks of the Hindu Kush, with the Kabul River running through it, shaping the land and life here. Kabul's geography has been key to its historical importance. Positioned at a crossroads of ancient trade routes, the city connects South Asia with Central Asia, Persia and beyond. But it's not just the history. The mountains and natural beauty offer stunning views year-round, especially in the winter when they're capped with snow. This breathtaking combination of nature and history makes Kabul a unique gem of Central Asia. Don't forget to like, follow and repost the video, please. Edit by Amarkal A.